This is Inga, Head of Media Buying at EPOM. In this video, we will discuss how to get a low cost per conversion for programmatic ads. I'll show you CPA optimization rules and tools. They help me find media that drive conversions at an affordable price. You might be thinking, why so complicated? Can I simply buy traffic from CPA ad networks? Yes, you can do it, but there are two reasons why I don't think that this is the best option. First, publishers that provide high-quality traffic want to be paid per view or per click. To get traffic from them, you need to play by their rules. Second, CPA networks are like black boxes. You don't know how they generate conversions for you or what media they use. The CPA network model lacks transparency. You can't replicate the success of a campaign or figure out why it failed. You completely depend on the ad network and can't influence the result. But what they do isn't a magic. You can learn how to optimize traffic better than they do. You'll gain both the target cost per action and the control over your campaign. I'll show you the tools and techniques that will help you to achieve this. Before we move on, I need to clarify one thing. The cost per action, or CPA, is the money your client pays when a prospect completes a conversion action on a website. For example, it can be filling out a form or downloading an application. Wherever your target action is, you should be able to track it and send data about it to your programmatic platform. Without this, you won't be able to see CPAs for your campaigns. You can track actions using Google Analytics, AppsFlyer, Kochava, or other tools that support pixel tracking or postback URLs. If you want to learn more about how conversion tracking works, we have a detailed video about it. I will leave a link for you in the description. After you connect your conversion tracking tool to your programmatic platform, you will see your CPA in the Analytics tab, and you will be able to optimize it. I will explain you how you do it using EPOM DSP. Once you set a new conversion-oriented campaign, you will want to apply 3 strategies to reduce CPA and maximize conversions. Get rid of media that don't drive any conversions. Spend less on media where conversions cost too much. Buy more from media that drive cheap conversions. To set these CPA optimization strategies in EPOM DSP, you'll use filters, bidding rules, and bid multipliers. Let's see how to turn these strategies into automatic optimization rules in the DSP. Let's call the first rule Remove Low CTR. It will blacklist media with disengaged audiences. Your ads are unlikely to convert if you get no clicks, right? You'll go to the Filters tab, click Create New Filter, name it Low CTR, and use it to blacklist traffic sources. Then you'll go to Autopilot, Bidding Rules. Using if-then logic, you'll define your Remove Low CTR rule, which says, if a campaign gets 100 impressions on a site and the CTR is less than 0.2, then this site is added to the Low CTR blacklist. When the rule starts working, you'll no longer buy inventory from sites or apps where people don't engage with your ads. As a result, your budget will be redistributed between media with higher CTR. Let's name the second rule Get Lower CPA. It will decrease your bids on costly media. You don't want to overpay for conversions and run out of the budget, do you? Under Autopilot, Bid Multipliers, you'll click Create New Multiplier, name it Reduce CPA, and use it to collect a list of media where you want to decrease your bid price. Then you go to Autopilot, Bidding Rules. Using if-then logic, you'll define your Get Lower CPA rule, which says, if a campaign gets 1 or more conversions on a site and the CPA is more than $5, then the reduced CPA bid multiplier will decrease bids on this site by 20%. When the rule starts working, you will bid lower on the inventory from expensive media and get fewer costly conversions. As a result, your budget will be redistributed between sites and apps that drive cheaper conversions. The third rule we will call the Maximize Cheap Conversions. It will increase your bids on media from where you get conversions at a price much lower than your target CPA. Bidding higher might help you to win even more cheap conversions. Under Autopilot Bid Multipliers, you'll click Create New Multiplier, name it Increase CPA, and use it to collect media where you can bid higher to win more impressions. Then you'll go to Autopilot Bidding Rules. Using if-then logic, you'll define your Max Cheap Conversions rule, which says, if a campaign gets 1 or more conversions on a site and the CPA is less than $5, Then the increased CPA bid multiplier will raise bids on this side by 20%. When the rule starts working, you will bid higher on the inventory from cost-effective sources. As a result, your budget will be used more efficiently. Wasn't that your goal? These 3 rules I shared with you today are the most universal. You can tweak them or create new ones based on the CPA optimization strategies that work for you. One final thing you should do before the automation starts working is to link your rules, filters, and bid multipliers to a campaign. As soon as you get them linked, Autopilot will start checking the traffic sources for your campaign against these rules and optimize your buying automatically. Now, as you've seen the CPA optimization techniques and the DSP that can help you use them, I suggest that you don't put this knowledge on the shelf. Instead, use the link in the description and request your free trial for EPAM's white label DSP. In addition to cool optimization of your ads, EPAM White Label DSP offers 50+ SSPs for you to buy traffic from various media. Why don't you test your CPA optimization strategies on them? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I think that's it for now. Happy advertising!